What is that, buddy? You got your ball? Get it. Oh my god. What are you doing? What are you doing? Get the ball, buddy. Get the ball.
One more inside.
Get it.
Another around the back. Not to mention some
Get it.
canine remains we found in the woods back there.
What you doing, buddy?
All killed the same
You got your
way.
ball?
Flesh, tissue.
Yeah. Get it. Get it. Get the ball. Get the ball. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Get the ball. Get it. Get the ball.
Come here, I think I found something.
Get it.
Look, I think I found this guy.
Oh
He
my
might be able to
God.
say he saw something.
You are too much. You know that, right?
James Licorice.
Look at this cat, man.
Across the street, right over there.
He is a big boy. Yeah. Get the ball.
Did you describe it? Well, first
Oh
off,
my god.
I'm no scoop.
Oh, Huggy Bear. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. We got it. You got it. It's okay. Get it.
And
Get the ball.
you don't sit in
Get it.
the window for 12 hours every day.
You got your ball?
Waiting for the young lady who lives here to put on a white
got your ball,
t-shirt
buddy?
and go out and wash
What
your
happened?
car. No,
What
sir,
happened?
that's just not my
What happened?
style to set up a camera
Nothing?
at the bedroom window. and
You all done?
hoping that someone
You
forgets
done?
to, close
Okay.